Hi, Ms. Obregon. This is going to be your quick lesson on how to add people to Canvas. Make sure that you have accepted the invites to the courses as both a teacher and a designer so that you can do this. You can see we have Spanish Level 1, Semester 1. You also will have Spanish Level 2 and Spanish Level 3. Once you are in the course, you're going to go to People. Once we're in People, you can see you're still pending, so you've got to accept those. We're going to see this People, Add People icon over here. We're going to click it. We are then going to click on Login ID, put in the correct login ID. I'm picking a random number. You're going to leave Student alone. You're going to leave Spanish Level alone. You're going to click Next. And in here, what it would normally say if we used an actual student ID is it would give you the student's name, it would give you the student email address, and then it would have the correct login ID. You click Next, and it'll show up the way yours is showing up right now. So it'll say the kid's name pending, it'll say once Spanish Level 1, and then once it'll say student. If you've got any questions, let me know.